tonight I'm gonna tell you how to cook cupcakes in 3 minutes in microwave. So in order to cook our tasty and delicious cupcakes, we will need 2 eggs and 4 spoons of sugar, white sugar, just really, and wheat flour, also approximately 4 spoons. And then we'll need sour cream, 20% fat. It also will be like 2 spoons. We'll need only 2 spoons from it. And of course our cupcake forms for baking, and just usual dish where we can mix it all together, and our leavening agent. This one is necessary for making our cupcakes more fluffy, and of course vanilla sugar is just for taste. Now I took my wheat flour and put it into cup. Here are the 4 spoons. So we are mixing wheat flour with 4 spoons of sugar. So and we also adding vanilla sugar, just half of the spoon, and then mixing it all together. So now we have a dry mixture, and here we will let 2 eggs. Really careful and really good. You can do it with blender if you have one, but since I'm just usual student and I don't have any blender, so I'll use with my fork. Now we have our mixture after adding eggs, so we have to mix it really careful. We're adding 2 spoons of sour cream to make our cupcakes softer. 2 spoons, and we mix it. So after we've added sour cream, we have middle dense, I don't know how to call it, mixture, or yes. So our mixture has middle dense condition, and so now we have to add leavening agent. So yes, and so when our mixture is ready, we have only one step, the last one. We have to put our mixture into baking form. But remember that you have to do it like you don't have to pull this form, but you have to put only half. As you can see here, perhaps only half. And I put it here. So now, as you can see, our forms and mixture are ready, and so it will go into microwave for 1.5 minutes. So as you can see, now we have albino's cupcakes. In order to make it, I don't know, sweeter or to decorate it, you can take sugar powder, as you can see here, and just quickly. Now we have our cupcakes.
What?